In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your Mazda 3. It's located under your glove box. Using a 10mm wrench or socket, you're going to loosen up your nut on your negative battery terminal. Once it's loose enough, you're going to pull it off. Set it off to the side, make sure it's not touching anything. There's little tabs here you're going to push in and pull down on this kick panel here and remove it. Unscrew these. There's one here and one here, and drop this down. Now we're going to remove this side panel. After you drop this down, you're going to disconnect your harnesses. You're going to pull the black part towards you and then take the plug off. There's a green one here that you're going to do the same. So right here. Once you have all of those connectors disconnected, you can then take out this white junction box and just set it off to the side. I'm not going to disconnect the one underneath. Using a 12mm socket, we're going to take out these nuts and take off this silver bracket. Take off this plastic grommet and remove the bracket. Use a Phillips screwdriver and take out the screw. Remove this connector. Use a stubby screwdriver, Phillips head, to remove this screw. Now you can remove this door. And inside here are the two filters. Make sure your cabin air filter is positioned like this inside. To do that, you're going to have the foam piece up. You're going to have this tab here where you can hold on to it. You're going to insert this first towards the engine. Closest, there's two channels in there. You want to go towards the engine as far as possible. You're going to insert it in and you're going to push it up inside the box. Once that's up, you're going to hold it there, which is not easy to do. And you're going to slide this one in, and that's going to hold it in place. Once you're ready, and you can get one hand back and get out of your own way, you're going to push this and slide it in. Then you can put your cover back on. We're going to pan to what it looks like, just like this, inside the car. So this is going to be inside. You're not going to be able to really see it anymore. And this is going to be started. So this is what I'm talking about. The top air filter is already in, and this is the bottom one, and it's in that track. So this is the top, and this is the bottom one. Now we're going to slide this in, like that, and now we're going to put our cover on. Now when you're putting this cover on, I want you to line your filter lip, that piece that you're holding on to, inside here. It should stick in there, and then you can tighten your screws. And we're gonna line this up and put our screws on. I'm gonna start my bottom screw first, and that'll hold it in place. Now we're gonna start our top screw. And we'll tighten it down. Once that's tight, you're gonna put this connector back in its hole. Now we're gonna put our metal bracket on over here. Line our bracket up with the studs. Place your bracket lined up with the studs. And get your nuts started. And now we can tighten it down. Get them snug. Now we're going to attach our junction box and connect our connectors. To do that, we're going to first hook up our pieces here into that metal bracket we just installed. So you're going to pick it up. Get one side in if you can. Once it's in there, we can connect our connectors. I suggest this little guy first. Just lock it in by pushing that back. Now you're going to put your blue in here. Once you're lined up, you can snap it in. And now we'll put our green one in. This one's a little tough because it's backwards compared to the other ones. All right, once you're lined up, you snap it in. And then you can rehook the ear in here, like that. And we're gonna tighten these fasteners here by just twisting righty-tighty. Slide the side cover down. Line up your grommet hole. Put the first part of the grommet in and then do the second. Now we can put our kick panel on. These two tabs are what hold it in. Just get it in there. So just line up the two push-ins and snap it in. All right, we're going to install our negative cable. And I'm going to tighten it up. Snug it up. Make sure it doesn't move. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.